Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about DasherDirect by Doordash. So as we all know, there are many different ways you can receive the payments from DoorDash that you do, and one of them is DasherDirect. It's their business debit card or prepaid card or whatever they want to call it, along with their account. And quite honestly, a lot of people like it and some people don't. But with that said, today we're going to go over everything that needs to be said about DasherDirect, how it actually is versus what they tell you, and everything in between. So with that said, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain and is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult with qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that there may be things that are market dependent and some things that have expired due to the time it used to be on DasherDirect, whether it was the rising gas prices or whatever. Some promotions are just not available anymore. This is what DoorDash is telling us, and I will be going over some things on how it actually is based on what other people are saying about it. I haven't personally used it. I'm more of have a separate business account myself, but that being said, this is what DoorDash is saying and what other people are saying about it. So with that said, let's get started. Introduction to DasherDirect. The DasherDirect account and DasherDirect business prepaid Visa card are designed to provide a unique and convenient services to Dashers within the United States. So this is particularly a US thing. I don't know if it's available anywhere else. I don't know if they have separate things for Canada or for other countries. I just know that based on what is being said in this website, it is a US only card. These services include mobile services and a loyalty and rewards program through a prepaid Visa card, which provides get paid instantly for no fee. With DasherDirect, the earnings from your deliveries are deposited instantly at the end of every dash for no fee, so you can access your cash when you need it. Please note that the daily payout limit from DoorDash to your DasherDirect account is limited to $1,000 for security reasons. If the daily payout limit exceeds $1,000, the remaining balance will be added to your next payout. I'm gonna be real with you for a second. I have never seen any day ever on DoorDash where someone has made $1,000 in a day. Maybe between multi-apping and certain ways you can actually earn $1,000 in a day, but I don't think that's how it works for this. So don't even worry about hitting that threshold. But yeah, the moment you end your dash is when it hits your DasherDirect account. If the dash didn't end yet, that's why it's not available in there. The limited time offer of 10% cash back on gas purchase ended on August 31st, 2022. As previously announced, get 2% cash back on gas with every gas purchase at one of the locations found in the DasherDirect app's rewards page when you pay with your DasherDirect prepaid business Visa card designed for Dashers. Additionally, you can double your cash back with an extra 2% on gas at Chevron when you sign up for Visa Savings Edge in your DasherDirect app. Actually, I didn't know the thing about Chevron, which is really cool because there's a lot of ways that Chevron stations actually give you extra cash back. Look into that, because between Acorns and other gas promotions, you can actually save a lot on gas. That being said, 2% cash back on gas is not the highest you can get. I know that I have a credit card that gives me 3% back. I know there are cards that give you 5% back. The point is that 2% back is not the highest. 10% was pretty cool at the time, but I know that there's a lot of people that felt like it was almost like a bait and switch because it was really hard for them to get off of DasherDirect once they were on it. Money on your terms. Use the DasherDirect app to check your balance, transfer money, and find no-fee ATMs, all without worrying about overdraft fees or minimum balance requirements. I feel like that's a little misleading. There are minimum balance requirements going into a gas station. I know that somebody on my older DasherDirect video specifically said that if there was less than $75 on the account, you couldn't use it, which is stupid. And the fact that you transfer money, I feel like there was a lot of people that said, okay, I could get the DasherDirect card to have it sent there and then transfer it to my bank, but that's dodging the $1.99 fast pay fee as opposed to paying the transfer fee for transferring it from the DasherDirect card to the bank. So keep that in mind too. Like, it's not a total dodge. Requirements. How do I apply? I will leave the application itself in the description, but you can also go to your earnings tab and you can apply within the Dasher app. To ensure a smooth application process, make sure to enter your details correctly, including your full legal name, home address, and social security number. Note, when applying for DasherDirect, the shipping address registered in your Dasher app will be used as your shipping address to send you the DasherDirect card. Take a moment to ensure your shipping address in your Dasher app is correct and up to date to avoid shipping to an incorrect address. So if you're at all like me, who lived in New York for a long time and then moved to Florida, or lived in another state and moved somewhere else, or maybe you just moved locally and the address isn't the same anymore, make sure you change the address in your app so that way you could actually receive the DasherDirect card when it does come in. DasherDirect is exclusive to US Dashers. You cannot forward your invitation to apply to DasherDirect to others, such as family or friends. Yeah, so if you're a Dasher, you can use DasherDirect. It's not for your family. It's not for your friends. It's for you in the United States. You may only open one Dasher and one DasherDirect account. Applying for multiple Dasher or DasherDirect accounts is not permitted and may result in removal from the program. If you ever questioned if you can have multiple Dasher accounts, they say no. I know a lot of people have in order to actually game the system or get back onto Doordash, but it's not like they really permit it, you know what I'm saying? How do I get paid? After your DasherDirect account is approved, your virtual card will be automatically available in your DasherDirect app and will be ready for immediate use. To get automatic deposits so your Doordash earnings are added to your DasherDirect account, make sure to update your payout method to DasherDirect through the earnings tab of your Dasher app. So make sure you update your app when you actually get the card. You can use your virtual card for online purchases, bill pay, transfers, or any transactions that do not require you to swipe or insert a card. And if they don't take virtual card purchases, you kind of have to wait for the physical card to come in. In the Manage Card section of your DasherDirect app, you can view your DasherDirect virtual card or activate your physical card once it arrives. So I'm actually surprised that it took up till here in the article to actually talk about this, but the DasherDirect system is actually a separate app from just the earnings page. So DasherDirect is powered by Payfare, which is a system for gig workers, but that also said, it's still Doordash money you're talking about here. So keep that in mind. And also, yes, you do need to download the DasherDirect app in order to manage said account. Earnings payouts to your DasherDirect card are usually available by the next morning. If you're using instant direct deposit, expect to see those earnings after you end your Dash. Tips are automatically deposited either in the same payout if the customer adds the tip in time, or in another payout up to 30 days after the Dash is completed if the customer adds the tip at a later date. So if your customer decides to increase the tip, it actually may come in later than the point in which the Dash ends, but you're gonna see that so few and far between that it's almost not worth talking about. If your Dasher payouts are lower than expected, or your expected Dasher payouts are not loaded to your card, please contact Doordash support. So when in doubt, contact support. FastPay and DasherDirect can't be used together. Once you've activated your physical DasherDirect card, your account will be set to automatic payouts. To switch your payout method to weekly deposits or FastPay fees apply, tap the bank icon on the earnings screen in your Dasher app, then tap switch payout account. And of course, if you don't know what FastPay is, I made a video talking all about that. I will leave that in the description. Feel free to check that out. I have heard reports that some people struggle to actually switch from DasherDirect back to FastPay, so if there is a struggle, see if support will help you, but I sincerely doubt they will. What is Payfare? Payfare is a company that DoorDash partnered with to provide DasherDirect. Payfare provides the mobile app technology, and the DasherDirect card is issued by Stride Bank, member FDIC. So one thing I will say is that Stride Bank is the same card provider that Chime Bank uses, and Chime is known for just deactivating accounts for security purposes and keeping all the money in it. Again, Payfare provides the account itself, but that's not too far outside of DoorDash's wheelhouse of influence. Because the reality is that DoorDash has been known to withhold earnings, not with DasherDirect specifically, just with overall deactivations. Uber Lyft Phoenix lost $1,700. Bud Soda lost $2,000. He ended up getting his money later on, but he had to fight for that. And not many people are willing to fight for it the way Bud Soda was able to. Although I'm not gonna lie, I don't think anyone shouldn't fight for their earnings, but that's a different story in itself. DasherDirect rewards and program perks. Instant no-fee daily direct deposit. Once you are approved for the DasherDirect card and you choose DasherDirect as your payout method, you can get your Dasher earnings automatically deposited to your DasherDirect account after each dash for free. Please note, you will need to select DasherDirect as your payment method in order to use this feature. Tips are also automatically added to your DasherDirect card within 24 hours after a customer adds a tip, which may occur up to 30 days after a dash is completed. So the upfront tips are going to be deposited to you right away. Again, if they add a tip after, which is very rare, it may take more time. But again, I don't think you're going to see that as often at all. Cashback on all gas purchases you make with your DasherDirect card. Cashback rewards will become available for redemption in your DasherDirect app as qualifying purchases settle. So yeah, that 2% cashback for gas, you're going to qualify the purchases themselves, and then they're going to send you the 2%. Make sure you're enrolled in Visa Savings Edge to maximize your reward offers. Review the rewards section and the eligibility and terms of rewards carefully, as offers are always changing. To accept an offer, open the offer and tap the shop button. You'll be redirected to the merchant's app or website where you can complete the purchase with your DasherDirect card. You can track your rewards in the DasherDirect app. Rewards categories and amounts are subject to change without notice. See the Payfare program terms for further details, which again in the description will be the source of this article. You can see everything on there. Upside cashback rewards. Upside cashback rewards are offers to be claimed on the DasherDirect app. Visit the perks section in your DasherDirect app to find currently available offers, eligibility terms, including cashback on gas, groceries, dining, and more. Upside gas rewards are in addition to the typical 2% cashback. Offers may vary depending on the offer of a merchant promotes at the time. For restaurant offers, your cashback will be the percentage of your total bill before tips and taxes. Additionally, the percentage of cashback as well as the minimum and maximum bill thresholds can vary by offer. Now, Upside also has their own app as well. I think they work with DoorDash in this regard, but I usually use the Upside app myself for this, so it's a pretty good app to use. To earn cashback on eligible purchases at local businesses, Dasher must claim the offer within the perks section in the DasherDirect app before visiting the participating merchant. Check in on the DasherDirect app at the merchant location and pay for the purchase with the DasherDirect card. Also, if you are the type of person that uses Upside separately from DoorDash, you can actually just use your own card and use it that way. Offer limits. Dashers can claim up to 5 offers per day. Gas. Dashers can claim up to 2 gas offers per merchant site per day. You can fill up in the morning and then fill up at night, but nothing more than that. Restaurant and grocery, Dashers can claim up to one offer per merchant site per day. Gas and restaurant offers are valid up to 4 hours after an offer is claimed. Grocery offers are valid up to 24 hours after an offer is claimed. So if it's a gas or a restaurant offer, you got 4 hours to claim it. For grocery offers, you got 24 hours to claim it. And I'm pretty sure you need to scan the receipt. If Dashers hit the 5 offer limit and want to claim a different offer, they'll have the option to unclaim an offer in the applicable merchant category: gas, grocery, or restaurant. I cannot imagine you having that many issues with that. But either way, I would just take the offers I can and call it, man. Mobile banking functionality. DasherDirect is a secure, full-featured card and mobile banking app. You can withdraw cash for free with access to over 20,000 no-fee ATMs all over the country. Find nearby no-fee ATM locations in the DasherDirect app. You can also pay bills, send funds, and add other direct deposits or cash onto the card. Limits and fees may apply. See the DasherDirect card holder agreement for further details. So, the account itself is very much a mobile banking feature, but the card itself is more of a prepaid Visa, if that makes sense. What is a DasherDirect Business Prepaid Visa Card? DasherDirect Business Prepaid Visa Card is linked to your DasherDirect account once your DasherDirect application is approved. A virtual card can be used while you are waiting for your physical card. Please note that once you've activated your physical card, your virtual card will automatically close. So your virtual card is available until you get the physical card activated. There's no PIN for the virtual card. This means you can use your virtual card for online purchases, to make online bill payments, to transfer funds, and accept direct deposits and no PIN transactions. Note, most merchants that ask for a PIN, hit the green enter button is enough, but if it doesn't work, you can use your year of birth. Example, if you were born on March 30th, 1999, your PIN would be 1999. So try enter. If that doesn't work, try your birth year. Your new physical DasherDirect card will be mailed to you when your application has been approved and should arrive in 2 to 3 weeks. I haven't heard of anybody getting declined for the DasherDirect card, but again, it'll end up at your doorstep at some point. And you can also find all of the points on how to report the card stolen and how to actually use the card in the article itself. That will be in the description, because there's a lot of details on here that are very important for you to know, but are very technical, and I don't think that we can get too deep into it in this video. Did I miss anything? Is there something else about DasherDirect that isn't super technical that I didn't cover in this video? Let me know in the comments. Let's make sure that everybody who is thinking about using DasherDirect knows what they need to know that is super constrictive and will be able to make as much money on both Doordash and DasherDirect as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!